foggy. So I was late from work today, and I had to test my new clutch piston hole. Yes, and here we go. It's getting dark, but also I have the light. You see? Yes, yes. The Johnny nigga gave it to me on the last ride when I had to go home because I'm very. I live in the middle of the city and it's pretty far away. So I had to go in dark road home. So we're gonna test that shit. Pivot wheelies, that we need to find some fine field where there is no people around. So we can test it with no trouble. I think they have the road there. Okay, I think my clutch works like 100% better than it worked the last time. I literally get dust in the brake piston. But means clutch didn't work right. Now bike don't turn off like it's nothing, man. Just damn great. Holy fuck. Where the fuck am I? There is no road, man, and it looked like it's a road. Good that I have a light today, but when it gets dark a lot, this light won't help, because I will only see like 5 meters in front of me. That's the worst day to ride a bike. Foggy, it's night, and it's slippery as hell, man. Wet floor and wet branches in the dark. Okay, looks like we missed the road. Okay, now I really don't know where should I go, man. I saw the suspicious car, some forester I know, so we are getting away. I think that's exactly the same car, man. Yep, it's that shitty Jeep. I know. Okay, today we can't do the wheelie on the grass because it's so fucking wet. That's terrible, eh? I can do the wheelie here. Okay, we're gonna hide from this dude. I gotta turn off the light, okay? Light is off. I think he's gonna come here. Is he coming or not? Looks like he turned around. See that mood? Only from 2 times hitting the throttle. And also my tire is shit. I will try wheelies here. If he goes, okay. He's coming. Okay, no, it's not the same truck. It's some van. Fuck off. He got the pee-pee. Oh, here he goes. It's not he. I'm just paranoid because some douche people are just leaving to chase a dirt bike for real, like, oh my god, and it's the same van, but it's different one. That's weird shit. Same but different. Such a good feeling on the clutch. Holy shit, she's grabbing like hell. Oh, you can see the difference now. Okay, I can't do the wheelie here. I can't even pick up the bike. See this hill climb here. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay, now slowly. Oh, what a nice view. Awesome. So we got the query right here. Oh my god. Can we write anything here? Ooh. We can jump from here to there. Think. My gosh. So my bike still turns off when you're holding the clutch in gear. I don't know what to do now. Buying new lamellas. I don't know. Maybe I should get the fuck off here. We need to try this once, but I'll just leave because this shit is next to some house and it got dark. People get itchy when it's dark and the bike runs next to their house. Okay, this light is barely working, man. And now it's turned off. Am I f***ed or not, man? Okay, some dog is barking right there. Okay, I don't know, I'm gonna save the light because looks like the shit is going to run out of the battery. Oh my god. Now I'm in the target of the road without light. I don't know if you can see anything now. Probably not, huh? Let's get on the top church right here. Oh my goddamn. Yeah, baby. Awesome. And I don't see shit now and everybody see me. Very good. Well done. What's the time, man? So some dude is riding a bike there, and I think I'm going just there. straight. I'm looking for the way on the other side of the hill now, because I'm not really in my hometown. So that's straight the road I need to go, and around here, and so very nice. Let's go, let's do this shit. What the f*** though? Oh my god, I can't see shit, man. Okay, there is the road. Ah, shit. This light is terrible, eh? God damn. I think I'm running out of batteries. Holy fuck.